I have already invested so much of fees in coaching classes and still I'm not clearing audit subject. यार इतना पैसा डाल दिया और अभी भी audit subject clear नहीं हो रहा है and you are still in confusion what to do. Then this is the last and final boarding call to enroll for audit subject at just ₹1,999 all inclusive. I'm not earning even a single rupee profit margin in this fees. Let me explain the facilities, students. You will get Zoom live lectures, yes. You will get recorded backup for all the lectures, yes. You will get hard copy books, yes. No soft copy gimmick over here. You will get hard copy delivered at your home. Of course, for Indian couriers, all right. If there are students enrolling from overseas, for them the shipment charges will be extra. You will get WhatsApp doubt solving support. You will get Zoom doubt solving support. You will get validity from 5th March 2023 to the to 15th or 20th May, whenever is your audit paper. All right, till the last day of exams, you will have the validity of these videos with you. Do not worry about it. You can't enroll for live lectures. All right, you cannot attend live. Still enroll in this batch. Watch the recorded version. Whatever lectures I take on 5th March will be uploaded on 6th March. What I take on 6th March will be uploaded on 7th March, and so on. So you can watch the recorded version. The recorded version runs on both mobile app as well as laptop. The whole material, content, question bank, everything is updated for May 23. Do not worry about it. 55 hours का total lecturing होगा. Sir, Hindi we don't understand, sir. We are from South India, sir. Then you have separate batch for English. Morning slot will be for Hindi English mix के बच्चों के लिए and evening slot will be for English lectures. Sir, but we don't know you, sir. Okay, November 22 students have scored 70 plus, 78 in audit. You can see my YouTube channel. You can see the verified feedback of the student and you can ask my team to give you 100 plus such feedbacks. We are ready to share it with you. If you still want to know more, watch the demo lecture. But students, let me tell you, I really want to impact your preparation. I really want to add value to your preparation. आइए यार, खत्म करते हैं इसे. Let us finish it off. All right. So if you want to enroll, then in that case, please call on these numbers. All right, these numbers. Or else you can directly download our mobile app and you can search for this course beta. All right. If you want Hindi lectures, then you will see SP Inter May 23 Hindi. All right. And then if you let us say if you want English lectures, you will see SP Inter May 23 English. And our app is dedicated for audit subject. You don't want to enroll, it's okay. App pe to aaiye, come to the app. You will see so many free MCQs, so much of material. You will be allowed to join our Telegram channel. All right. You will get so much of material over there. You have marathon videos, revision videos. You have everything that you need to clear audit subject. आइए हमारे साथ जुड़िए and you will see the difference. Thank you so much, beta. All the best.